Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showcasing you the new Angel unit. So you can either get her from collecting 1,000 of the bullets from the new update. You get these from doing contracts. The other way you could possibly get her is, or him I believe, is you can get them randomly from devil contracts when you're done with them. The higher rank the contract, the better chance you have of getting it. I ended up getting Angel from a tier 3, which was pretty good. Otherwise you'd have to spend 1,000 bullets for the devil star, and you have a chance at getting him, or yeah. So I'll go hop into one of the new portals. I'll just do an easy one to showcase, but I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, I'm back here in the chainsaw portal. This is the new chainsaw map if you haven't seen it. I got my farm maxed out and everything. So I'm gonna place down Angel right here. He's magic and light attributes, and one of the special things with him is that when he attacks, he'll drain the base HP. So you have to bring Sakura, because she'll heal it 5%. Already placed down 3 a bit early, and it healed the base up a bunch. So starting out, it's doing 10,641 damage every 7.5 seconds in 18.8 range. The starting cost is a bit high. It costs 5,000 to place at max level. Here's the max level stats, So first upgrade goes up to 15,962 damage every 7.5 seconds in 19.7 range. Oh, and something I forgot to say. If you did bring Sakura and you had Angel, he drained the base HP down to like 200 or less, but once it got that low, he wouldn't attack until it was healed with more HP and stuff. So here's the second upgrade. Goes up to 21,282 damage every 7.5 seconds in 20.7 range. Let me turn on effects. This is the move right here. Let me set it to last. And mine AoE. So third upgrade, the range is decent so far. It's at 24 range. Got really good damage. Third upgrade, 31,924 damage every 7 seconds in 24.7 range. Now, this upgrade, the fourth upgrade, new move, usage 100 years, goes to circle AoE, but he can also target flying units, like right here. So 42,565 damage every 7 seconds in 25.7 range. Hybrid as a non-evolved unit is really good, honestly. So fifth upgrade goes up to 53,207 damage every 7 seconds, 26.7 range. Sixth upgrade goes up to 69,169 damage every 6.5 seconds and 28.6 range. So the damage is really good, the SPA is not bad, and pretty decent range. Seventh upgrade goes up to 95,773 damage every 6.5 seconds and 29.6 range. So here's the final upgrade. It goes up to 127,000 damage, 697, 6.5 SPA, and 30.6 range. So he has really high damage, okay SPA, and decent range. The SPA is really good for the amount of damage he's doing. And you can place 3. Yeah, the only drawback is that it drains the base HP. So you just have to place sakuras early if you want to attack throughout the whole thing, because it doesn't drain super fast. So if you build up a bit of base HP in the bar, it'll last quite a while. But yeah, overall I think it's an amazing unit, especially for not even being evolved. Doing 130,000 almost as a non-evolved unit is really good. But for the evo, I need 50 bullets, which I have, but I have to get like 5,000 kills or something. I don't remember on this map. So I'll get that done and I'll evolve. But I'll see you guys in the next video. That's about all I gotta say here. So, peace out.